Let's learn English abbreviations used in daily dialogues. IDK. I don't know. FR. For real. BRB. Be right back. LDR. Long distance relationship. OTW. On the way. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. TBH. To be honest. LOL. Laugh out loud. PM. Private message. DM. Direct message. YOLO. You only live once. CMIIM. Correct me if I'm wrong. AKA. Also known as. B2W. Back to work. ASAP. As soon as possible. AYT. Are you there? BBL. Be back later. BBS. Be back soon. CMB. Call me back. SYL. See you later. CWYL. Chat with you later. DC. Disconnected. DIY. Do it yourself. FYEO. For your eyes only. GG. Gotta go. I am. Instant message. IOW. In other words. JK. Just kidding. TYT. Take your time. TTYL. Talk to you later. WRU. Where are you? NV. Never mind. HRU. How are you? How about this one? Comment mo nga below.